Okay, hello, this is Doc. Super excited to be here for my science classes. This one's for everybody, or anybody actually who wants to watch this. This is, I call it my crazy black snake experiment. And it's been a couple years since I've done it, so I'm not sure exactly how long it's going to take and how it's going to work, but I'm going to do it. Uh, you can do it at home with the supervision of an adult, but I don't recommend it. You need to have a fire extinguisher. You need to have clear ventilation. Maybe when we get back to school, I can do it for everybody in my classroom. But for right now, this is just a demo that I'm going to do here, okay? First of all, you need a bowl with some sand in it. It needs to be a heat-proof bowl like Pyrex. This is Pyrex, believe it or not, even though it's nice and pretty. It is one of those bowls you can put in the oven. And there's some sand. You need some lighter fluid. Again, this is why adults do this. You need some lighter fluid, and I need to squirt some in here. Kind of soak the sand. You need some sugar. Just regular old household sugar. You need 4 big tablespoons of that. You need baking soda. And I need to get a tablespoon of that out now. Just about that much. Okay. I'm going to mix that in with the sugar. So I'm mixing this all in right here. So I've got baking soda and the sugar mixture. Okay. I'm going to pour this. So we're going to create an exothermic reaction. We're going to use heat. So I'm going to take this sugar, baking soda mixture, pour it in the center of my sand in a little kind of a pile, almost like a little tiny volcano. Okay. So I emptied it into there. So I'm going to bring my camera up here a little bit so you can see. I just kind of emptied it into the center of the sand. Okay. All right. Now, here comes the exciting part. I'm going to light this, and what should happen is the heat should cause the baking soda and the sugar to combine and form a reaction and produce a byproduct. My question to you is going to be, what is that byproduct? Okay, so we've got C6H12O6, which is sugar, with baking soda. Okay, that's sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so sodium is Na, right? So I'm going to light it, and we're going to see how long it takes to make the black snake. Watch out for the flame. Here we go. Maybe. Okay, here's the flame. We're going to see how long it takes for the black snake to form. It's starting to go. This is one of those experiments that takes a while. And what I'm hoping is that it's already starting to form black, so I'm hoping that it crawls out of the bowl, believe it or not. Still going. Come on, baby. I'm going to bring that camera over a little bit so you can kind of see, if you can see the black starting to form, the black snake right there. I can't get my phone too close to the flame. Okay, starting to form. It's mixing there. It's making a black substance.